Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to filter by language in Netflix. So to do this, you have just to go to Netflix, open the app, and after that, as you can see, there is like on the top of the screen this bar. So like for example, if I want to watch Arabic movies, I will click on categories, and as you can see, there is category for Arabic movies and TV shows. I can find them here. Of course, this option is always related to the country where are you located and where you created your Netflix account. Because, for example, if I'm in an Arabic country, it will not suggest for me like French movies. They are available in the account, but they will not be suggested for me. Because I'm in Arabic country, it gives me the Arabic option. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.